G'day guys, it's Johnny's Hot Tip here, and don't forget to subscribe for your 10 years of good luck. Okay guys, today we're making popcorn. Right, so what you want to do is you're going to get your reused condom. Right, you're just going to unravel it, as you would mate, as normal. Look at that. Look at that beauty mate. As I said mate, you keep reusing them, it's not a problem at all. Righto, you pull them out, like so. And you don't want to weed out all the way, so you just start off with just a little bit like that, like so. You get your spoon, right, you get your popcorn, and obviously you chuck it in, right? Now, depending on how much you like, you just keep chucking it in. I normally like to do at least, 8 or 9 tablespoons at least, right? So once you get to that stage, you get the bigger one, and just dump it straight in, right? Dump it straight in there like so. Depending on how much popcorn that you like. So I normally like to just go, a good size, good size like that. Right, and then what you want to do, you're going to get a bit of butter, and you just want to grab that and just jam that in there, right? Put that in there, like so. Just put that in there. A good lump of butter, an absolute good lump. Everybody loves buttery popcorn. It can be a bit slimy, but look. You get there in the end. So you get your popcorn, your butter, right? Just pull that down there like so, and tie that up. Now hands might be a little bit sticky, but it's not really too much to worry about, right? So you tighten that up there like so. Oop. Right, put a nice little knot in there, and like that. Right, so once you got that stage, what you got to do is get a little plate, which I didn't grab, but that's alright. I'll grab a little plate. Right, and you want to chuck it on there like so, and we'll put that in the microwave for at least a minute and a half. So we just chuck it in there. Right, I'll let you watch it, and then push, at least a minute and a half. Alright, you can watch him spin around. As you can see in the background, he's spinning around there like so. Look at that. You'll wait and see the results at the end. It's just going to be phenomenal, mate. Quick and easy way of making popcorn. We'll pop it out once it's done and show you guys how it's all looking. Don't forget to subscribe for your 10 years of good luck. More content coming out, and obviously once that condom comes out we can definitely reuse him up. We just have to wait. And he's cuffing up a little bit like a balloon in there like so, but he should be fine. I don't see any dramas at all. We just got to wait the time out, mate. As you know, on Donny's Hot Tips, mate, there's no editing, so what you see is what you get, mate. It's none of that fake stuff, It's all boom, boom, boom. As we can see inside there, he's starting to slowly puff up. I'll just take him off the tripod. Oh, like so, and then boom. That's how you know it's ready. Right, so you take it out. Right, you take your popcorn out. There, like so. I'll just give you guys a bit of a look at that. And there you go, guys. That's how you make popcorn. Quick and easy way. That's Donny's Hot Tips. And we'll see you on the next one. I'll just show you that you can eat it quickly. This is a bonus tip if you did stay around. That's fantastic. Alright, guys. See you on the next one.